everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rocket with normal pieces. So I have all of them ready to make. Let's start. First we take a 2x2 plate and place it down. Then we take a 2x4 brick, take and put it here. And then we have a type of a small triangle. Now we take a 2x2 brick. We again put one. Like that we make a tower of 5. So now let's keep going on. So this is 4. Now we need one more to make it 5. Now we have got this has got this. Now let's see a normal rocket. See, this is one, and then making the other one type. Let's see how it is the rocket that we are making. Now quickly get your 1x6 bricks ready. Or if you don't want 1x6, get your 2x2 and 2x4s ready. Now all we have to do is take a 2x4 brick. I'll show you. We first take a 2x4 brick. Next we take another 2x4 brick. Or if you don't want to make it more big, you can take simply a 2x2 and take a 2x4 and connect those two bricks together as this. And then last you need a 2x2 again brick. And now we can see as we have a triangle. Now what we do is put our triangle over here. It quite looks like a lamp, but now we are going to make it as a rocket. Now the center after 2, as you can see, after 3 2x2 bricks, remove the 4th one and put a 2x4 brick on it. And again you put this. Now it's looking like a little dot. Now all you do is you take bunch of these 4 2x2 plates. Quickly take all of your 2x2 4 plates and put one up on each side. I'll wait for you to do it. Okay, now I will wait for you for 1 more minute. Till then you just get ready with this part, as you can see. Or should I change the color over here? I'll change it for you so you can see it. Quickly build this much part. Now, next step is ours, that we take a 1x2 bricks and put it the space left. Then there will be 2 on each side we have to put, and then there will be 2x2 space left. Like that we have to take one more and put it down the other one. Okay. Now you can see, and same with the other side. And then all you have to do is take one more 2x2 and put it down. And again fix this and take 2 more 1x2. I'll show you what's a 1x2 actually. See, this is a 1x2. I'll show you in other direction. See, these are 1x2s I have. Now we again put these here and this here. Now, as we have made a rocket, you can see the rocket. Whoosh, whoosh. And now you're thinking, where's the fire over here? Now, simply, you have to take the color specified for the fire. You have to take a orange. Just dump all your bricks down. And now just take one orange brick and put all of your doors in. Just a second, I'll show you how. See, put like this. Just don't separate it right now. Just put it in the basket. Now you can see this red, but there's an orange one. Okay, please take it. Now down this 2x4 brick, you take this brick and connect it, and fire is on. Now this is looking nice, right? Whoosh, zoop, zoop. Now you're thinking, no? Where is the rocket station? Let's think. Aha! Let's make a rocket station. I will wait for you for 1 minute more to just know. I'll tell you the pieces. You need a few curved pieces like these. Then you'll need few minifigures, plates, and you'll need many 2x4 bricks, 2x2 bricks, and even you'll need few 1x6, 1x4, and 1x8. And 4x4 base plates. A few. Then you need mirrors. You need 6 mirrors, small ones, and you even need one. I'll show you what is it. You need these 2 jets. So if there's any problem, wait, and even one boat. So just get ready with these many things and a few couple of more base plates, a little bigger ones. I will wait for you for 2 minutes. Okay, I am back. So now all we have to do is we have to get this a big base plate like this. And if it's stickable from back, it's okay. But if it isn't, it's okay too. Just you need the top. Okay? Now all you have to do is now what I told you for these pieces as we have ready, but first we need 2x4 bricks. I have a couple of 2x4 bricks. I'll just spotlight them. See, this is a 2x4 brick. See. Now, you have to just have a few of them. Actually, you need many, but I have many already stored over here. Oh, I was joking. It's down. As now, I would present that you better come quickly. Now, as I told you, we are going to make a rocket station. Now, let's start. First, we take a 2x4 brick. Place it here. We take few more 2x4 bricks. I'll just dump a few. Now you can't see anything. You just put them in a lane like this. I will show you like this in a lane. You have to put one by one. I'll show you after I'm done all the bricks. Or should I tell you that you want to learn? Of course, you have to learn this technique. over here you can see. Yes. If you can see it's flying, it's not flying, okay? It's just the base plate. Now we put few more bricks. Like this, we fit all of the bricks. Okay, now as we are done with this lean, we can start by putting the bricks here. Also, we put a 3, so we put both sides 3 bricks. Like this. Now, only what I wanted to tell you is now we need a blue brick. Now, you have to use the blue brick here and a blue brick here. But if you don't have, it's optional. If you have, please use them. Now, what you do is, I'll show you whole design. See, this is the whole design. Now what we do is, we will make this a little more high. Okay, let's start it. I will show you. Now exactly what I told, over here if you put it won't interlock. So you need a 2 by 2 over here and keep going.